Hello everyone, my name is Lonnie Corley. I'm a retired Army veteran. Presently right now I'm a JRTC instructor at the Oak Ridge Military Academy. Oak Ridge Military Academy was established in 1852 and it's located in Oak Ridge, North Carolina. It's in the surrounding triad area of Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and High Point. And once again, it's been established since 1852, which makes it very unique for me to be an instructor there. My mission is to motivate young people to become better citizens. And in regards to educational leadership, I believe that there's a wide array of different types of leadership styles and ability that really motivate people to do certain things. I believe the definition of leadership is to be able to motivate or inspire somebody to do something that they ordinarily would not do. With that, I would like to learn more about leadership techniques and fundamentals through my peers, you out there, through the discussion boards, and all encompassing of trying to be a better instructor. I still get very excited when I'm in the classroom and have an opportunity to mentor young people, particularly at the military academy, because we have a wide array of students. It's a co-ed facility. We have international students that are coming as far as China and Africa, and we have students all over the continental United States that come to us and pretty much stay in a format, a college format, to where they're there pretty much for an entire semester and or school year. Once again, it's really a great opportunity for me to be able to use my skill sets, my experiences that I've learned over the years, both in college and also in the military, to be able to give an opportunity of additional learning to our students, be able to kind of guide some students if they need to get back on the tracks and get themselves online to where their endeavors want to take them, or also be able to help people to sustain and go forward and just be better citizens. I look forward to any feedback that you send my way. Ideally so, we're looking for also opportunity once again to learn these techniques. When I'm not in the classroom, the type of person I am, I like being outdoors still. I'm working on a 49 Chevy right now that was gifted to me, and that's really an awesome project. Hopefully I can show you some pictures a little later on. The vehicle is running, and I'm having a good time with it so far. I like to golf. I'm married. My children are out the door. Yes. It's a great time for my wife and I to really be able to do these things that our plans set out to do earlier. Thank you very much. Once again, look forward to working with you this summer, and have a good afternoon.